channel. I'm Cynthia. I have for you guys today a requested video from Natalia, so this goes out to you, girl. She asked me if I can do a look using the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. That's what I have for you guys today. So without much more of me talking, we're just gonna go right into the video. I have gone already and primed my lids with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I have also set that with translucent powder. And I'm going to go ahead and take the Naked 2 by Urban Decay. I think I'm going to go for a really cool toned kind of smoky look. And the first shade that I'm going to be taking is Tease. I'm taking my Morphe M513. I'm just going to pack that onto the crease. Honestly, the thing that I do not like about this palette is that there are more shimmers than mattes. There's literally just 3 mattes. That's kind of a bummer. Next, I'm going to be going in with this shade Busted, and I'm going to focus that on the outer crease just to intensify this look. And by the way, I'm taking that on my Morphe E18 brush. I'm going to bring that into the crease just a bit. Then going in with this brush, I'm not really sure on the name of it, just to blend it together. I think I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit more of that Busted shade and add just a little bit more of that darkness back. I think I might just add the tiniest bit of blackout just to intensify it a little bit more to the outer crease. I'm taking the Morphe E18 brush and I'm just going to pack that on to the outer corner of my eyes, just taking a bit because I don't want it to be too harsh. Then taking the Morphe M506, I'm going to blend that in to the other shades. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into YDK, which is this pink shimmery shade right here, and I'm gonna put that on the lid. I think in order to brighten that up, I might go in with the shade Chopper, which is this one right here, and I might bring that in to the inner corner. I'm going to go in with that fluffy brush and then just blend that in together. Now I'm going to go ahead and go do my base off camera, and I will also put on some lashes and I'll be right back. So I have gone ahead and finished my base. The lashes that I'm wearing are the Koko lashes in Queen Bee, and lastly, for the eyes, I'm going to go back with the shade Tease and apply that on my lower lash line. And I want it just a little bit darker, so I'm going to go in with Blackout and my Morphe E18. I'm going to focus this on the outer part. And then taking my Morphe M506, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that together. And then I'm gonna take my Clinique High Impact Mascara and I'm gonna apply that to my bottom lashes. And then lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and take my MAC lipstick, and this is in the shade Whirl. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my lips. Ignore the shirt, by the way. I have to go to work training right after this. After I finish this, I gotta dash. Anyways, this is the finished look and some poses now. so uncomfortable. What is wrong with you? Since apparently Minnie was not comfortable, here's Eats. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to smash that like button and also subscribe down below before you leave and hit the little bell notification so you never miss a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, loves!